here. If you do have this WordPress theme, or you have other WordPress themes that you purchased through Theme Force, I think you should get this plugin right here. It's a must. It shows you all of your plugins and your themes that you purchase. And this is the plugin right here. You can just put this URL right here, or do a Google search of this, and it'll come up. You'll click the button, you'll download it. You add it to your plugins right here, install it. It will show up. This is the easiest way to do it. Normally people, they will go to here after they purchase it, they would download right here and get the whole file and extract it that way, which is the old school way. But the new way is download the plugin, add it. This way you just hit the install button and let it install. So as you see, it's installing. Hit activate. And now once you're here, it tell you this theme requires the following plugins. So then what you're going to do is hit begin installing plugins. And here are the plugins they use. They use the WordPress job manager. They also have the page builder. You get the one-click demo import, and here are some more of the WordPress job. That's the platform they use. Also, you get your WooCommerce. So we're going to go ahead and install, hit apply. We're letting that install for us. And also, it depends on how fast your internet is. I do have really fast internet, but even with my fast internet, sometimes it moves slow like this. But there we go. Okay, so sometimes you get a timeout. See, timeout gateway. So if this happens, a lot of times what I do is that I remove this part of it and just leave this here, and then it brings you back to your WordPress page here. As you see back, and then what it's asking me now is to begin activation. Sometimes your host get a timeout, and then that's fine. You just do what I told you, and you'll be all fine. Okay, so here we go. You activate it, hit apply. These are all things that I learned over the time. Before I was just like, oh my gosh, what is going on? Like, my site is down, my site is messed up. What do I have to do? And over time I learned, okay, this is what I needed to do. This is how I get things set up. You got to just remove this part of the URL from it. It reloads. It's great. Also, one thing about this easy WP hosting here that I like, you get clear capture here. So sometimes your page get a little foggy, slows down. You can just clear it, and it speeds up your page for you, which is great. A lot of times it's some hosting set up on a time basics, and you can do it like 4 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, things like that. But here you can do it anytime you want. Just click it and it clears it for you. See? Okay, so as you see here, we have the plugins, and where you can check and make sure all the plugins is set up. You will go to plugins, hit install. Here you go, right here. It shows you all the plugins that you have. Also, I added this the Sitekit by Google. This is what I added on here. I think every host, if you have a WordPress page, you should have it. I haven't set it up here because this right here is a demo, but I just wanted to show you really quick. As you see here, this is the kit. So it's a Google kit and it gives you all of your traffic information, let you know who visited. You can set up your, if you want to add paid options on your page, this is a great way to do it. Um, your analytics, everything like that that you need, you should add this to your WordPress page because it gives you the numbers and you want to know who visiting your website. You want to know where they're coming from, and that's a good way to do it. Is add this plugin. It's free. So, and if you want to know how you do it, you just go and you'll click add new. And then you would type right here, Google, hit enter, and then it will show up right here. That's what it is. And you add it. Okay, so back to the theme. I always click dashboard to reset everything. We got listings, claims, translation, documents. Okay. We go down to here, demo data. Go to demo data. One click import, hit continue. And let's see with this if it get installed. Sometimes some WordPress themes, they have two options. They have this one here, and then they also sometimes have one inside their settings. So sometimes sometimes you might go here and you think it's this one and there's no demo content on your page, which is fine. What you need to do is you'll go into their theme option, which will probably be right here. And then sometimes when you click on there, they have a section in there that says demo. So if you don't find it out like this, sometimes it's inside your theme option. So here it says it's been completed. So let's go and see if that's true. I'm gonna click the button and let's go to the home page and let's see. As you see here, it's set up. They added the content on the page, and this is the demo content which will get installed on your page. So once it's here,